what is the true definition of prestige? In the world of automotive luxury, no matter how many new models emerge, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class remains the ultimate benchmark of success. Welcome to the showcase of the 2027 Mercedes-Benz S450d 4MATIC. This is the vehicle currently capturing the internet's absolute fascination, showcasing the latest evolution of technology and luxury. Today, we are taking you inside this rolling palace. Let's get started. The exterior of the 2027 S-Class is the very definition of dignity and power. The front fascia is elegantly sculpted, featuring a massive chrome grille and the iconic three-pointed star standing proudly on the hood. The next-generation digital light headlamps don't just provide flawless nighttime visibility. They can project symbols and warning signs directly onto the road ahead. It is a stunning marriage of artistic design and lighting science. The feature currently going viral across social media is the rear design of this vehicle. The LED taillights have been redesigned into a sharp triangular shape, housing beautiful illuminated three-pointed star patterns. At night, these lights glow magnificently, signaling to everyone behind that this is the latest flagship S-Class. A long chrome strip accentuating the rear width and dual exhaust tips add a perfect touch of sporty elegance. Step into the front cabin, and you are met with a highly advanced technological laboratory. The dashboard layout is clean, featuring a 3D digital instrument cluster for the driver and a massive central OLED touchscreen. The latest MBUX infotainment system runs as fluidly as a flagship smartphone and supports highly intelligent voice commands. The premium steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls allows you to manage everything without ever taking your hands off the wheel. But for any S-Class, the absolute best place to be is the rear seat. As you can see, the premium diamond-stitched red Nappa leather seats offer an environment that mimics a first-class private jet. Both rear seats feature independent heating, ventilation, and multiple massage programs. Passengers enjoy dedicated entertainment screens mounted on the front seat backs, alongside a large center armrest that houses a removable control tablet. Now, let's talk about the heart under the hood, the S450d powertrain. It features a next-generation 3.0-liter inline-6 turbocharged diesel engine integrated with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It pushes out 367 horsepower and a massive 750 newton-meters of torque. This monumental low-end torque allows the heavy sedan to glide forward effortlessly and in near-total silence. Amazingly, it is highly efficient, capable of cruising over 1,000 kilometers on a single tank. Ride comfort is guaranteed by the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and the standard AIRMATIC air suspension. This intelligent air suspension adjusts to road imperfections within milliseconds. When gliding over rough patches or bumps, you will feel as though you are floating on air. It is the definitive automotive experience known as the magic carpet ride. Despite its long wheelbase, it is remarkably easy to maneuver through heavy city traffic or tight parking garages. This is all thanks to the clever rear axle steering system. The rear wheels can countersteer up to 10 degrees, making its turning radius as tight as a compact sedan. Parallel parking or making sharp U-turns will never be a stressful task again. Regarding pricing, in the international market, the 2027 Mercedes S450d 4MATIC starts at around $130,000. In conclusion, the 2027 Mercedes S450d 4MATIC is more than just a car. It is Mercedes-Benz's definitive statement to maintain its crown as the absolute king of luxury sedans. It offers an imposing exterior presence, a cabin mirroring a private jet, and a diesel engine that is both whisper quiet and efficient. If you want a vehicle that sets the standard for ultimate success, nothing beats the S-Class. What do you think about this next-generation rolling palace? Do you love the new star-patterned taillights? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-end luxury car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.